We are at 1567 Lake Road, Youngstown, New York. Property has 5 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, landscape garage out front, wood shop, car shop, plus a 3-car garage, sitting on almost 8 acres, located on Lake Ontario. Beautiful views of Toronto, and you can get pretty much anywhere super quick. Come on into the foyer. Opens up into the great room, 20+ foot ceilings, beautiful views of the lake.
Best parts about it is how centrally located it is in getting places. Downtown Buffalo in close to 40 minutes. Buffalo Airport in around 40 minutes. Niagara Falls itself in 15. You can even get to Woodcock Brewery here in Wilson in about 11-minute drive as well. Off the great room, we'll come right into the kitchen. Beautiful breakfast bar, 6-burner stove, double range. Breakfast box for nice mornings, beautiful views. Another vaulted ceiling again, beautiful. Going up here, goes right up to the lighthouse. Views are incredible. You can't get better than this. The owner's office to the left. More beautiful views when you get to wake up in the morning, staring at Lake Ontario. Clawfoot tub, have a little wine, a nice cold beverage while you're soaking in that. Off of the garage, we have the mudroom. Great place to wash your dog, tons of storage for all your linens. Let's go down to the rec room. See the bar, 1,000-bottle wine room down here. Come in, play pool with your friends, have some drinks, and relax. Views from the bar. House has copper gutters, which, from what I'm told, match the same gutters that are on Garth Brooks' house. Stained cedar siding, beautiful masonry work. Now, welcome to Lighthouse Motors, where you can store and work on all your own toys.
Obviously, you can't spend all your time at the lake house. 15 minutes south is Lewiston, New York. Great food scene, tons of places to try out. You're actually right in the center of Niagara County Wine Trail, which has about 100 different wineries between the U.S. and Canada. You got awesome historical value. The festivals in Lewiston are amazing. Plus, Art Park has all sorts of shows coming this summer. They got the Sticks coming, Lauren Daigle, Young the Giants, Bare Naked Ladies, Richard Marx, the Pixies, and Modest Mouse are just a few. So out here at Lighthouse Cove, it's days on the water that make you want to live in a house just like this.